Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to receive new updates from us. Today I am going to explain Class 6 Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Highest Common Factor, that is HCF. Now observe the table, Common Factors. See the number 12 and 18. See the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See the number 18. Its factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now let us see common factors for 12 and 18. So which are common factors here? 1, 2, 3 and 6 were common. So write down 1, 2, 3 and 6 as common factors. Common factors are those numbers which are factors of all the given numbers. See the definition of a highest common factor, that is called as HCF. The highest common factor HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. It is also called as greatest common divisor GCD. What it means? When we find factors for the given numbers, we need to find common factors. So among the common factors, which is the highest number, that is the HCF of the given numbers. Now let us see example. Methods of finding HCF. First method, prime factorization method. See the example, find the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. Let us do in prime factorization method. So 2 table, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 table, 3 1s are. Now let us see factors for 30. 3 table, 3 10s are 30. 2 table, 2 5s are 10. 5 table, 5 1s are 5. Now next number 36. 3 table, 3 12s are 36. Again 3 table, 3 4s are 12. Now 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2. Now let us write the factors here. 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Next 30. Factors 2 into 5 into 3. Next factors for 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now let us write common factors. That equals to 2 and 3. So write down 2 into 3 common factor, that equals to 6. Therefore, HCF equals to 6. See page number 37. Do this. Find the HCF of 12, 16 and 28. Let us find factors for all the three numbers. 12. 2 table, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 table, 3 1s are 3. Take 16. Now let us find factors for it. 2 table, 2 8s are 16. 2 table, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2. Now let us find factors for 28. 2 table, 2 14s are 28. 2 table, 2 7s are 14. 7 table, 7 1s are 7. Now write down factors for 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Factors for 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next factors for 28. That equals to 2 into 2 into 7. Now write down common factors. In all three numbers, which are common? 2, 1 more 2. So write down 2 into 2, that equals to 4. Therefore, HCF equals to 4. See the second method, HCF by continued division method. See page number 38, example 2, find the HCF of 56 and 64. In this method, take the smallest number and divide the largest number. So, by the remainder, we have to divide the previous divisor. Until we get remainder 0, we need to continue the process. And the last final divisor, whatever left over, that will be the HCF. Now let us see the solution. Divide 64 by 56. 56 ones are 56. Subtract, you will get a remainder 8. Now, previous divisor is 56. With this remainder 8, we need to divide 56. 8 table, 8 sevens are 56. So, you will get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF equals to 8. See now page number 38, example 3. Find the HCF of 40, 56 and 60. See the solution. Divide these two numbers first. 40. So 56 is divided by 40. 41s are 40. We get a remainder 16. Now with this remainder, divide the previous divisor 40. 16 2s are 32. If we subtract, we get a remainder 8. With this 8, previous divisor 16, we need to divide. So again 8 2s are 16. We will get a remainder 0. So HCF of 40 and 56, that is 8. Now with this 8, we need to divide the third number 60. So 8 is going to divide 60. 8 sevens are 56. We will get a remainder 4. With this 4, divide previous divisor 8. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. Therefore, HCF of all the three numbers, that is 40, 56 and 60 is 4. See page number 39. Do this. Find the HCF of 28, 35 and 49. By using continued division method, we are going to solve this sum. Let us see the solution now. Take these two numbers first, 28 and 35. 35 is divided by 28. 28 ones are 28. If we subtract, we get a remainder 7. With this 7, we need to divide the previous divisor, that is 28. Now 7 4s are 28. We will get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 28 and 35 is 7. With this 7, divide the third number 49. 7 sevens are 49. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, the final answer, HCF of 28, 35 and 49 is 7. See now page number 39, example 4. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. Let us see the solution. Now what we have to do is find the HCF of 850 and 680. So 680 is going to divide 850. 681s are 680. When you subtract 850 and 680, we get 170. 174 times 680. When you subtract 680 minus 680, we get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF is 170. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.